So today's project is one of my favorite kinds, and that is quick. These are going to be some simple posts that are going up around a bocce ball court. First though, classic game of hide and seek. I'm going to look high, I'm going to look low, but I will find that piece of chalk. Each of these posts is going to end up with 3 tabs welded on them. The posts are 12 foot tall. They're going to go on the ground about 3 feet, so I'm going to weld the tabs in the middle. That'll be at about hip height. And these ones are going to be on there to support a chain that'll go around the perimeter. Each of the posts will get one more towards the top, and that'll be for supporting a cable that will then support a set of string lights that are all the trendy rage right now. This project's actually from my father-in-law, so similar to a honey-do list, I call this my sunny-do list. So the only real twist on this project are the cast iron fennials that go on the top. These need to be TIG brazed on, which is something that I do not really know how to do. This is a classic example of my father-in-law Paul writing a check that I'm not sure my hands can cash, but we're going to give it our best shot. Before getting started, I watched a pretty good video by this old Tony about TIG brazing, and it was honestly pretty helpful. I don't think I'm going to quite hit the level of proficiency that he did in his video, but at the end of the day, these posts are going to be 9 foot in the air, so they don't need to be the prettiest thing in the world. I just need to make sure that the caps are going to stay on. In the old Tony instructional video, he explains that the whole goal of TIG brazing is to not melt the parent material, but to melt the filler material. As you'll see here, I got it fairly well on there, but not the prettiest thing. On the bright side though, different project, did get this beauty